What's up guys, it's Mia, and today we're going to be making a holder for this cute, thin, slim, book-shaped water bottle. This water bottle I got from Amazon. It was only $24.99. It fits in your bag really easy. It's made by Chic. And I thought it was a perfect little water bottle to take with you to festivals, or if you're walking in the park. But here in New Orleans, we have tons of festivals. We've got the Jazz and Heritage Festival. We have the French Quarter Festival, you name it, and we have a festival for it here in New Orleans. But I wanted to make it out of this fabric called Neoprene. Neoprene is a patented material originally produced by DuPont Corporation, also known as polychloropene. I think I'm saying that right. But it's a durable, elastic, versatile material used as a substitute for rubber. It's the stuff that scuba suits and wetsuits are made of. It's great for clothing and things which are meant to insulate against damp and cold conditions. And it's completely waterproof. I also picked up some belting to make the strap so you can wear it as a crossbody bag. And you will need a couple D-rings for this project. So when I initially measured the water bottle, I measured it and I added about 2 inches to each side like I normally do when I'm using cotton fabric for anything that I want to make a covering for. But as you can see, you guys, it came out way too big. So this was no insulation. I really liked the little holder and it was really cute, but then I just took it all apart because I figured I want it to be made for what it's supposed to be used for intentionally, which is to insulate the water, keep it cool, or whatever you put in your bottle. So I decided to just make it again. Here I'm just making the gusset that's going to go around the little pocket on the front of the holder. I just cut a strip about 1 inch by 8 inches, and the zipper was 8 inches. And so I just made a small gusset to go around that pocket, and I just attached that strip to the top of the zipper on each end like this.